it's Britt with ShirtSpace. Are you wondering what the best tees for embroidery are? Can you embroider on polyester? And what is the optimal fabric thickness? Well, let's dive right in. To find the right tee for embroidery, you first need to know the common mistakes to avoid. This includes finding the right material. Once you have that out of the way, you can feel confident that your t-shirt will turn out just the way you'd hoped. If you choose a t-shirt that's too light of weight, you might notice some puckering or distortion after you add your design. Cotton works really well for embroidery, but so does linen, wool, and silk. And we're going to be showing you some 100% cotton t-shirts today, some of them of the ring spun cotton variety. There are many types of apparel items that you can decorate for embroidery, including jackets, hats, and bags. If you would like to see a full collection of these items that would be great for embroidery, go ahead and go to our website, search the industry tab, use the drop-down menu, and select embroidery. Since t-shirts are pretty thin, it is important that you choose the right one for embroidery. And we have a few that we'd like to recommend to you. This is the Comfort Color C1717. It comes in so many awesome garment dyed color options, and embroiderers love to use this t-shirt because it's thick and heavyweight. I'm wearing the color Orchid, but we also have Mystic Blue, Violet, and Fluorescent Blue. You will find many great options that will complement any logo or design that you decide to create. This t-shirt is made from 6.1 ounces of 100% cotton, and another great thing about it is that it's already pre-shrunk, so a lot of the shrinkage has already been taken out of it. This is very important when you're trying to minimize any chance of puckering or distortion to your design. Weighing in at 6 ounces, we have the Gildan G200 t-shirt. It comes in over 60 colors, it's made from 100% pre-shrunk cotton, and another great feature of it is that it's nearly identical to the G500 tee except for the fabric weight. This top-selling t-shirt has double needle stitching throughout, shoulder-to-shoulder tape, and a seamless collar for added durability and comfort. Next up, we have the Hanes 5180 Beefy-T, and for our example here, this is the 5186 long sleeve version. Just like the other t-shirts, it's very similar because it is 6.1 ounces in weight and made from 100% ring spun cotton. This t-shirt comes in 51 color options, and it has a wide range of sizes from small to 6XL. But it is worth noting that some of the color options do have polyester in the mix, which is more noticeable for the heather colors. Next up, we want to show you the Comfort Colors 1745 because of the unique color options. This collection is called the Color Blast Collection. As you can tell, it gives a little more texture than a normal solid color t-shirt. It is a little more expensive price point wise compared to the other shirts that we are going to be showing you in this video today. But with that said, if you're looking for a very high quality t-shirt, this is great for embroidery and we highly recommend. True to its name, it is extremely comfortable, and it also is the perfect weight for embroidery at just a little over 6 ounces. It's also a tubular shirt, meaning that it does not have side seams. Also check out the 0293TC by Tultex. You're probably getting the idea that heavier is better, and this shirt is no exception. It weighs 5.5 ounces, which is a little bit lighter than some of the other embroidery t-shirts we carry, but it's still plenty heavy. And it's a tubular shirt, it comes with a front pocket, and it's a great price point for a variety of budgets. To summarize, we want you to remember these 3 key things. It's best to go with a heavyweight t-shirt versus a lightweight or a midweight t-shirt, and usually heavyweight t-shirts start at about 6 ounces. This will ensure that the shirt will hold the stitching. Be sure to pre-wash the shirts to minimize any shrinkage that can distort your designs. Here's another look at the 5 styles that we recommended in this video today. You can visit the links for the products in the video description below. If you're looking for a place to source your wholesale blank apparel from, then check out ShirtSpace.com. With over 6,000 products and over 130 brands, this is the best place to visit for all of your blank apparel needs. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a great rest of your day. Hey, did you know that you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok? You probably already knew that, but we didn't want you to miss anything. And while you're still here, you should totally check out these videos too.